Welcome to Net at Work's Sage X3 Vertical Market Solution Series. In this video, we'll explore how Sage X3 empowers discrete manufacturers and distributors to streamline compliance with complex regulatory requirements, demonstrating how the system improves traceability, ensures safety standards, meets reporting obligations, and reduces compliance risks, all while maintaining operational efficiency. Let's begin by looking at some of the key regulatory and compliance challenges faced by discrete manufacturers today. First, compliance with industry-specific regulations is a constant challenge. Manufacturers need to align with various standards, like ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS, or other certifications that may vary by industry and region. Next, traceability and reporting requirements are becoming more stringent, requiring manufacturers to maintain meticulous records for audits, ensure component traceability throughout the supply chain, and meet the reporting demands of regulatory agencies. Environmental and safety regulations are also key considerations. Manufacturers must adhere to emission standards, manage hazardous materials, and ensure workplace safety protocols are in place in an effort to prevent violations or accidents. Product liability and recalls present additional challenges. Failing to meet safety and quality certifications can lead to costly recalls and lasting damage to a brand's reputation, which can be difficult to recover from. We also can't overlook data security and privacy regulations. As manufacturers and distributors increasingly rely on digital systems and IoT, adhering to laws like GDPR or CCPA is essential to protect customer and operational data. Finally, international trade regulations introduce their own set of complexities. Navigating tariffs, import-export controls, and ensuring compliance with standards in different countries is vital for companies engaged in global trade. Each of these areas requires careful attention, as non-compliance can lead to financial penalties, legal issues, and disruptions to production. Now that we've identified some of the challenges, let's jump into Sage X3 and explore how the platform helps mitigate these regulatory challenges, starting with quality control. Sage X3 embeds quality control seamlessly into core business operations, removing the need for external tools and supporting a wide range of quality control processes in both purchasing and manufacturing. For quality control during receiving, the platform ensures that only materials meeting your standards enter the production cycle, while rejected items are immediately flagged and quarantined for return to suppliers. During manufacturing, the QC module integrates real-time testing, allowing you to maintain consistency and integrity throughout the process. After manufacturing or before final delivery, you can perform comprehensive quality checks on finished products. Defective items are assigned a rejected status and quarantined for further analysis or disposal, ensuring that only high-quality products reach your customers. The Quality Control Workbench, also referred to as the inspection room, provides a comprehensive overview of all products awaiting quality analysis, serving as a centralized hub that ensures visibility at every stage of the quality control process. With that said, let's dive into the Quality Control Workbench and explore the inspection and analysis workflow. Here we see a quality control analysis request that was automatically generated after completing a production work order for stethoscopes. The product is currently in Q status, meaning it's waiting for quality analysis. During the inspection, team members use a technical sheet, which is a fully customizable checklist of tests or questions required to determine whether the product meets quality standards. In this case, the sheet may include specifications like product color, temperature, and other criteria. Once all necessary checks are completed by the team, the system automatically evaluates the results based on predefined criteria. Past products transition to A, or accepted status, and are ready for use. Failed products are assigned R, or rejected status, and may either be reworked or disposed of, depending on the circumstances. The beauty of this process is its incredible flexibility, with users being able to adjust the test as needed to ensure quality control processes are always in line with their unique needs. Sage X3 also enables seamless quality control testing during intermediate production stages or as part of a final inspection. Now, let's explore how we can leverage the quick entry process to efficiently conduct quality control testing. Unlike other, more traditional methods, quick entry allows results for multiple samples to be entered in a streamlined, tabular format, significantly speeding up data entry. This method is especially useful for tracking multiple samples under the same product serial number and enables faster, more precise testing. In this scenario, we have a batch of products that have completed production and are now awaiting inspection. Using quick entry, we can enter test results for various samples at once, and based on our inputs, the system automatically flags which samples passed or failed, and even color codes them for easier visual identification. The sampling process supports a variety of question types, such as option lists, numerical values, and binary yes-no responses, making data entry versatile and user-friendly, while conditional coloring also offers instant feedback on test results for improved clarity. For in-process quality testing, quick entry is particularly beneficial because it accelerates transactions while ensuring comprehensive sample tracking and compliance. To summarize, Sage X3 offers robust quality control capabilities, allowing businesses to capture test results for received or manufactured products at any stage and providing a complete audit trail to ensure full compliance with industry standards. Next, let's explore serial traceability in Sage X3 and how it empowers businesses to track individual products throughout their entire life cycle, from procurement and production to sales and beyond. For example, if a supplier informs us of a defective component they delivered, we can simply input the component code and faulty serial number, then click Search. The system then immediately displays all finished goods manufactured with that material, enabling rapid identification of all potentially impacted products. It also shows which customers received the affected goods, providing quick access to delivery transactions and customer contact information to streamline the notification process. This is an example of forward traceability, and the same approach applies to backward traceability, where you can trace the components used in a specific finished product. These capabilities ensure full traceability, enabling efficient tracking in case of recalls, quality issues, or safety concerns. Sage X3 also includes robust functionality for non-conformance and change control management, including corrective and preventive action, or CAPA reports. Businesses can track issues from detection through resolution, document causes, assign corrective tasks, and manage the approval process, all while maintaining a complete audit trail. This functionality ensures full visibility and accountability, enabling continuous improvement. With these tools, Sage X3 not only helps ensure regulatory compliance, but also promotes continuous process improvement. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, Part 4 of 4 in NetItWorks' Discrete Manufacturing and Distribution series. We hope you found it insightful and saw how Sage X3 provides the tools necessary for businesses to ensure regulatory compliance, streamline operations, and maintain the highest quality standards. If you have any questions, would like to view the other videos, or are ready to schedule a demo, please reference the contact information shown on the screen, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.